Hi, it's Tiffany here, and today I'm sharing with you some awesome projects that you can work on while you're on vacation. So whether you're lounging by the pool or on a road trip or relaxing in a cozy cabin, these projects are fun, quick, and can whip up in just one skein of yarn. That sounds great to me. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about some crochet projects that are for your home. This is going to be great for bringing a little vacation vibe back home with you. Number one is mini plant holders. They are perfect for those miniature, tiny potted succulent plants. They're really easy to make and they look super cute hanging in any window. Number two is coasters. Just protect your surfaces with some stylish crochet coasters. There's a lot of brand new patterns and designs out right now, so that's a lot of fun to try and sample new things. Plus, you can make a set in no time. Number three is soap savers. So whether you're going to make a soap sack for charity, like for soap sacks, or if you want to make some for yourself personally to save up on those bars of soap, or you can make them as gifts. Either way, they're a great fast project that take very little material to make, and it can be a stash buster too. Number four is keychains. Whip up a fun keychain. They're quick, they're small, they require very little material. You can make them as a gift, or you can just keep it for yourself to personalize your keys. Number five is washcloths. Now, whether this is going to be for your kitchen or your bathroom, or maybe you're going to make them as a gift for somebody, washcloths are fantastic to make on vacation because it requires such little material, so you can put this project in your purse or any small carry-on, and you can make so many of them. Next, let's get into some wearable projects. This is going to be a great way for you to crochet something that's fashionable, useful, and it's also a great way to show off your crochet skills. Number one in this category is bandanas. These are a chic accessory that you can create very quickly, and they add a nice pop of color to any outfit. Number two is bracelets. Bracelets are fun and fast to make, and you can actually mix and match different colors to accessorize different outfits on your vacation. How fun would that be? Number three is fingerless gloves. Now, just because I said vacation didn't mean I meant summertime. It can be cold outside too, and fingerless gloves are perfect for those chilly nights. Plus, they're small, so they can fit in any bag too. Number four is slippers. I did not realize how easy slippers could be to crochet. Now, when I think slippers, I think comfy cozy. And when I think vacation, I think I want to be comfy cozy. So if you make a pair of slippers while you're on vacation, you're just making your vacation extra comfy cozy. Number five is neck warmer. Neck warmers are great for those chilly nights, or if you are going on one of those colder vacations, it's going to be great for you to wear as an accessory to keep you warm. Plus, neck warmers are smaller scarves, fast, easy to make, and they take up very little room in your luggage. Lastly, here are some projects that are small, fast, and easy for when you don't want to think too much. You just want to relax and crochet. Number one in this category is bookmarks. Now, I don't know about you, but whenever I go on vacation, I always bring a book with me. Now, bookmarks are very quick projects that come in handy. Never lose your place again. Number two is scrunchies. Crochet a colorful scrunchie and add a little flair to your hair. They're both fun and they're practical. Number three is cup cozy. Crochet yourself a quick cup cozy, and whether you're a coffee drinker or a tea drinker, keep your beverage warm and your hands cool while you're going off on your morning adventures. Number four is embellishments and appliques. Create your very own souvenir for your vacation location. Embellishments and appliques are easily customizable. Just crochet them any color, any size that you want. They're fast, easy to make, and they're endlessly customizable. Attach them to any blanket or article of clothing. Have a blast. Number five is granny squares. Now, I had to add granny squares to one of the categories on this list because they're small, fast projects. They can be stash busters. They take very little amounts of yarn to create. There's so many different patterns that you can play with, so you're not really stuck with just one pattern that you have to repeat over and over again. Plus, granny squares can make many different projects. You can either stay small and just make a bunch of them to create a blanket, a pillow, or even a cardigan, or you can just take that one granny square and make it as big as you want, and that can either become a blanket or a really cute cocoon. Oh, well, that's it for today's video. I hope that you found some inspiration with one of the projects that I suggested for your next vacation crochet project. Please do all the things, like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel for more crochet fun. And if you do decide to give one of the projects that I mentioned a try and you post it on social media, please tag me at Crochet with Tiffany. I'd love to see your creations. Well, until next time, guys, happy crocheting.